Fish Creek. Today it's Scale Nation, Santi, Sergio, and the other two. Hopefully they'll show up. I don't know where they are right now. Like, we lost them. It's been a horrible day.
Okay, can I tell them the scenario what happened to me?
Scenario? That's a little...
Not you.
He calls me scenario.
Yeah. Okay, well, first of all, there's something wrong with my transmission.
His truck.
There's something wrong with my transmission, and my rear drive shaft broke, so I only have front wheel drive, as you can tell right now.
We're gonna try to zoom them by with front wheel drive. That's whoa. There's Santi's truck, right there. There's my Comanche. If you want to know more about it, just click on my update video. It's in one of my latest videos. So, start it.
Why? Oh, geez. Look where they are. On the other side. Or is that another person?
They're here and they're...
No, that's another person.
Okay, come on. Santi.
Okay, throughout the video you're going to see me kicking my truck, which I really hate to do, but...
Oh yeah, look at our articulation. Jeep!
I'm just going to cheat a little here. Hey, Bullseye, where were you? Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. See, do it again up close. Sandy, up close. So, more about the tires we're running. These are 1.9 flat irons. What product are they? Proline?
Proline, yeah, Proline.
Those are 1.9 axial ripsaws.
Come on, baby, you can do it.
Yeah. He mounted his receiver up there, so the connection actually works pretty well.
So, like, when I submerge it, it still goes. Scale Nation, you can see.
Scale Nation license plate.
What motor are you running, Sergio?
Practice 2110 motor. It gets some good speed. Well, good torque, I mean. Not really good speed. I don't know why.
What are you running?
I'm running Axial AX3. What is it?
No, it's AE2.
AE2. That's my receiver then? AX3?
Yours an AX3.
Yeah, that's so my receiver is AX3 and my what is it? It's just a stock Axial SCX10.
Yeah.
Keep it stock. Just upgrade the links and waterproof it and just change the motors.
There's something loose in my transmission. I've found out. You can hear it. What? They said they were over there.
I'll show you a little demonstration of the good things of an axial ripsaw. Look, check out the tires. Look. See how they grip on? Instead of just trying to spin around, they actually mold into the rock. So that helps get past the mud.
What happened to your link? Why did you take it off?
I'll take it off later.
Dude, doing pretty good front wheel drive.
Yeah, for front wheel drive.
Now let's see if it can stop.
Whatever you do, never buy a 4x2 RC product. 4x4 is always the way to go.
Yeah, because all my electronics come from Sergio's brother's Traxxas Gravedigger. He parted it out because 4x2 just didn't work for him.
So we sold him the electronics?
Yeah, so he sold me all his electronics. That's how I'm running everything.
Traxxas is good electronics, but just make sure to buy 4x4 products. It's always the way to go.